My name is Hriday Sharma, and I am a student of class 12th of Darvesh Government Smart Senior Secondary School, Sangrur. Here is a poem I have written in this pandemic situation, and its title is Last Caution. So, the poem is Have some hope in this pandemic situation because nobody else but we were its reason. Now be aware for the future and don't make such mistakes because to the human species this was last caution. Don't let this disease spread by going out because there were many heroes in form of doctors who fought not only for their family but also for us. Now don't ruin those sacrifices by going out. Yes, there are many situations where we have to go out, but before that, make sure that there's always a mask on your mouth. When you come back to home, wash your hands for at least 20 seconds because there is nothing more important than your health, there is no doubt. In this pandemic situation, we have to stay together, not physically but mentally. Promise to yourself that from today you will not make such mistakes that will let this disease spread rapidly. There is a bigger disease in our country than this corona, and this disease are those persons who still make fun of this pandemic. Don't listen to them and stay safe at your home because this is full of persons who are silly. And last, I will only say that from today I am promising to you and you should promise to me that we will not ruin our mother earth because this pandemic has said us indirectly that now put down your weapons, the weapons of pollution, the weapons of torturing animals, and so many other weapons like these. Because this pandemic was just a trailer. The whole movie of global warming is still there, and let's pray together that it should not come out. Thank you everyone. Stay home, stay safe.